Hey, what's up guys? Hopefully this is a good shot. I cannot see it because I'm on my iPhone. Just got home from work and yeah, my Pixel delivered. I got the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL because why not? I figured if I was going to get a Google phone, I might as well get the bigger one with a bigger battery because yes, the iPhone chips are way more efficient, and so my battery's like 3,900 milliamp hour, where this one's like 5K. Pretty insane. So I figured if I wanted to see a battery increase possibly, to get the big one. So, and because I figured I might as well try the big size, so if I don't want to go Google, I can get an iPhone Pro Max because they're around the same size, I believe. So yeah, 6.8 inches, 256 gig, hazel color. Let's freaking go. If y'all didn't know, I use Google Fi, so I did get a pretty fat discount. Shout out to Google Fi. It's actually pretty good here in Austin, Texas, so if you live in Austin, I get like, I'll put up a screenshot of what the speeds I got inside a freaking building. It was like 1 gig per second, so pretty good. Shout out. Put Google Fi, or not Google Fiber in Pflugerville, ASAP. So yeah, let's unbox this. I'm gonna adjust my camera real quick so you guys can see it. Let's unbox this KO. Alright, I'm on my absolute messy desk. I haven't been here in a while. At work. Shout out. Okay. Dude, oh my gosh. Feels so good to have an unboxing. Like, it's an iPhone, and so I'm about to see how the new Google phone's unbox. See if it's pretty satisfying. And so, yeah, let me put my mic around and we're gonna get this thing unboxed. Alright, so pull these little tabs back here. Pretty nice, pretty nice. Not entirely sure how this works. I think it probably spins out. Maybe? Okay, yeah. Okay, so first off, I had no clue how that came off, and so that was my bad. Alright, so now it goes up and down. Yo. Okay, Google, I see you, bro. I see you. That's pretty fire. Yo. So we got the USB-C type, USB-C cable, obviously. Nice to always have one of those. So I got an Anchor one, but always nice to have the OG. Obviously, fingerprint reader, volume, power, charge. Honestly, I like this size. I've never had a big phone, but this feels pretty normal. Like, I think I probably have big hands, like decently big hands. I'm only 5'9", but I mean, like this looks normal for me. Okay, am I speaking? Probably didn't do that right, but that was freaking satisfying either way. Okay, first impressions, holy crap, this feels really good. Like, you know, Apple's always been very, very popular for their premium feeling phones, even if it's just the base. But this feels good. This feels really dang good. And I also got my case from Crave. My dad has one too. Got a case. Got 3 pack of screen protectors. Fire. I gotta see if this thing has any charge and power this joint on. Oh yeah. Okay. This is sick. This is sick. I haven't had a Pixel since the Pixel 3, by the way. So, yeah. Oh my gosh. You can feel the vibrate when it falls. Like, boom, vibrate. Oh my gosh, that's sick. Okay. Another device, iPhone. Alright, I'm gonna do a quick setup right quick, and then we'll do the final thoughts, first impressions, and yeah. Okay, so this is the next morning. Well, again, I can't see my shot. I don't have my Apple Watch on, and this is on my iPhone. I think I put a case on the Pixel. Got it somewhat set up. It's only 11 o'clock right now. I did enroll into the Material 3 Expressive beta update, but it says it takes 24 hours for you to actually get up to 24 hours for it actually to push out to your phone. So I still haven't gotten it yet, but I've been really wanting to test it out because it looks pretty sick, and my dad has it on his phone. So I still got like the old like notification, or like not notification, but like menu, and everything else is still like the old one. I was actually on Android 14 whenever I set up my phone, so now I'm on 16. I updated that yesterday, but so far I like it. I've been using it since 9 o'clock, and my battery's at 85%. So pretty dang good, pretty dang good. I've been taking pictures and crap too, because I've been wanting to actually test the camera out in the light, because it's, you know, it's morning time. And so I've taken a few, not crazy, but a few photos. I haven't taken any video yet, because I know this iPhone's still better at video currently, but this is obviously way better than they used to be. I'm gonna test that out though at some point. Size wise though, honestly I like it. I wasn't sure how I was gonna like a big phone, but honestly it doesn't even feel that big. Like it actually feels like a normal sized phone in my hands. Maybe I just have big hands. One hand use is very usable. Like it's almost no different from my iPhone. Like I still do to click and then I type. Like I still do that pinky switch thing. I did that on my iPhone, and my iPhone's 6.1. But the two-hand experience for like typing, better, because bigger screen, bigger keyboard. So you have more room for both thumbs, and that's pretty sick. Which I don't never type with one hand. I always pull my phone, look at a text, and then like I do not. Typing with one hand is not it for me. If it's like yes, actually even if it's yes, I'll type it with one hand because I can do it in like milliseconds. And so size, I don't mind. I could see myself missing the 6.1 later, maybe, but like the bigger battery, the 5K milliamp hour battery, like all this needs is like a newer chip that's a bit more efficient. But still, 85% now. I've been using it since 9, and it's currently 12. 10 minutes till 12 at least. So I'm just rounding up. So I've been using it for a good minute. Good minute. Holy crap! And just now at 85%. It stayed at 100 for low key a while. Like I was using it for like 15-20 minutes. It's still at 100%. I was like, dang. I had to go outside and test my peak brightness because I think they claimed 3,000 nits. It looked like I was inside looking at my screen. That's how bright it was. But even just like inside, like if I turn my brightness all the way up, like it's so bright. I mean, I usually run it like down in like the middle-ish. Yeah, middle-ish. Maybe like 70%. Yeah, I think I run like 70%. But I have my window open right now, so like a lot of light is in. 70%, and I can see it perfectly fine. With the window open. Window closed, that's when I do like half-ish. So, yeah, I like it. I like how the buttons are all on one side. Makes it easier. But I find myself trying to do this and click a button right here to do a screenshot. So then I have to use my other hand, click down volume button and power with my other hand, where with the iPhone I just one hand. And so I mean I guess I could do like this. But I find myself always having to go to two hands, screenshot, and boom. I'm always having to do bah. Because it doesn't really matter if I'm typing. I just do this, boom, type, you know. But that's one thing that I don't entirely like. I know I can swipe up into my apps and click screenshot right here when whenever you have apps open, you know, do screenshot like that. But yeah, this is just faster. But then again, my hands, like I said, do go over to the side. One thing I don't like, it's very annoying, is social media apps have not optimized it still. my camera looks like a freaking Samsung Note 10 when I take a picture from the app. I mean, taking a picture and then uploading it to the app like Instagram, it's still downscaled, but taking it from the app is so like, oh my gosh, like it's so terrible. It's so soft for some reason. Like I don't know why it's so soft. And like there's like the detail is just not it. And so that's one complaint I do have. My iPhone, obviously it's an iPhone optimized apparently for only iPhones, and still it looked great. It looks great taking it from Instagram, but that's one thing I dislike is the social media apps not being like optimized for it. Because like if I go to my camera app, like oh my gosh, it's so crispy. Like in my camera app, it's super crispy, and so I'm pretty sure this selfie camera is higher megapixel than the iPhone on my 15 Pro. I think, not entirely sure, but yes, that's another complaint I have. Another complaint. It's not. I don't really care though because it's not serious. But the beta is taking so long to roll out. Like my phone, like within an hour of the beta even releasing, I went to settings because I didn't know until an hour after it released because I was working. But went to my settings, went to software update, clicked the beta option because I was on 18 public, I think, or something like that. And then no, I was on 18 developer still. Like I run developer for so long, but I was on 18 developer. I just switched it to 16 beta or 26 beta, and it got it instantly. Just downloaded it. So I don't know why it needs to take so dang long for this to get it, but hey, the switching experience was pretty nice. Saved my wallpaper over, and changed my app icons. The AS icons I do changed it to match it somewhat. Put a widget up. And so I'm still learning. It feels so weird because I used to use Pixel. I was a Pixel 3 for a while. And then coming back, it's like I know where everything's at, but also I don't at the same time. And then once I have an update after like a month, 2, 3 maybe, I'll do one of those. Give you guys an update because in September or maybe closer to December, January, after both the Pixel 10s, the 10 Pros, and the 17 Pros are out, I'll be looking and comparing and watching multiple videos. That's why I'm saying later, like December, maybe January. Like I got this one in January. Came out in September 2023, I think. I got it January 2024, and so maybe something around like that again. I got this just so I can see what the newer Google experience is. And so once the 10 Pros come out, honestly, I may go XL again. Low key, I may go XL again. I also got this so I can decide if I wanted a 10 Pro Max or 17 Pro Max. If I were to get another iPhone, or XL, or not get big. But honestly, I like it. So yeah, we'll see around there what the specs are and design for 17 Pro and Pro Max and the 10 Pro and Pro XL. So I'm pretty excited to see those, and then that'll decide what brand I switch to. I mean, right now my eSIM is currently in this. This is my main phone right now, and so from a Apple user through and through to Google, we'll see how this goes, and then the 10 Pro XL versus the 17 Pro Max will really decide how the future holds for this iPhone user. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Sorry that I haven't been active. Like I said, job at Chevy, shout out. But yeah, more things which are coming soon. I do have to fix my front brakes, so I can't drive it. I'm having my friend Michael pick me up in his 700 horsepower EcoBoost Mustang. If you want to see some of that on the channel, well, let me know. He's sick. His car is pretty sick. It's fast. It's fast. So yeah, just watch out for my TikTok, my Instagram, YouTube Shorts. Gonna probably post some clips of his Stang and any other car. Like I drove a Cadillac CT5 yesterday. Oh my gosh, that twin turbo V6. Oh my gosh, I need that car. But yeah, enough yapping. See you guys next video, whatever it is, and maybe even my muffler. I don't know. Peace.